All right, so you have registered your ApS company, and what else? What are the next steps? So, first of all, start with opening a bank account for your company. This account will be used for business transactions, and it's a legal requirement to have a separate business bank account in Denmark for ApS company. Also, this bank account must be used as nemkonto. I talk about it in a different video, what is a nemkonto, but it's also necessary. So that's the first thing, a bank account. The second one is setting up an accounting system to maintain accurate financial records. You can choose to hire an accountant or handle bookkeeping in-house, depending on your expertise and resources. The accounting software usually costs about 200 Danish crowns per month, and accounting services, the price of accounting services depend on the size of your business. Also, make sure that you are registered for tax purposes. Depending on your business activities, you might or might not be subject to register to VAT register or some other relevant taxes. So know a bit about the Danish tax system and some specific tax obligations that you're going to fulfill. And at the end of the year, prepare and file annual financial statements. This is something you have to remember when having an ApS company in Denmark. This financial statement will include the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and some notes if applicable. So follow the deadlines for submissions of VAT statement, annual financial statement, and sometimes it's worth consider hiring a professional to help with this financial reporting. Also, stay updated on the legal and regulatory requirements that apply to your specific industry. Comply with all applicable business and industry regulations. Consider the types of insurance that your business might need. If you have a high-risk business like construction, you will probably have to buy some extra insurance, like limited liability insurance, for instance. Also, remember about having your MIT ID. MIT ID for your company and access for your online services for your company is essential to communicate with the government and also to log into the bank. So those are basic steps that you need to undertake when opening an ApS bank account, MIT ID, accounting, and remembering about VAT registration if necessary, and perhaps the employer's registration if necessary. If you have any more questions regarding running a company in Denmark, please feel free to get in touch with us. And above all, we wish you best of luck with your business in Denmark.